Hello everyone. Want to join a private Telegram channel without admin approval? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. So first of all, the main question. Can you join a private Telegram channel without an admin permission? Sorry, there is no way to do it. Without that link, you cannot join a private channel. So you can only join a group. One way is to get an invite from a member of the channel. Then you can join the channel using your fake identity and then copy the link, and that's some shady trick, but I'll show you that one. So another way to get invite link is by searching it in public Telegram for groups. Like you can search for Telegram group link here, and you will find some website that lists those links. All right. You can also just search for your group name, then type Reddit, and you can go to the Telegram subreddit, and you can find a lot of links to a lot of channels. Now, another way you can do it is by this. So go to your Telegram here, and then choose a private channel, and then just highlight this link. All right, and just copy that link and press here, and you can share it to your friends or send to other app or messaging platform, and that way some your friend or someone else can join that private channel, and that's all there is to it. And you can stay unnoticed, like if you use a different Telegram account for that. All right, other way, you have to get an admin approval. And that's it. Remember, Telegram encrypts all chats, including private groups, using advanced security layers. And so that's how you join a Telegram channel without admin approval. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.